Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your Facebook account to a page. To start, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile. You will see the number of friends you have listed there. Now to begin converting your profile into a page, look for the three dots or menu icon on your profile. Tap on it and from the options, select Turn on Professional Mode. Once you tap that, you will see a screen explaining the benefits of Professional Mode. Tap on Turn On and then follow the steps by tapping Continue. After that, go back to your profile page. You'll notice that the friend count is now shown as followers. This means your Facebook profile has been successfully converted into a Professional Mode profile, which works like a page. People can now follow your updates without needing to add you as a friend. This is helpful if you want to grow your audience and use Facebook for public updates or content sharing. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.